Okay, Zig. Okay. I've been wanting to cover this language for a while since I first heard about it. This language it looks a little bit like Rust, but there's a little bit different quirks in there. Has easy integration with C. Um, if we're gonna get into a lot of code here, but yeah, it's a fast language. There's like unlike Go, it doesn't have any a garbage collector or anything like that. So this is going to be a competitor to these newer languages like V, Rust, and Go is going to be slower because that's that garbage collector. But that's a whole nother story to itself. All right. So we want to cover this language, but so let's just get into it. I don't see many tutorials on it, so let's just get into it. All right. To install Zig, you're basically gonna have to go Zigling site, download download here, and you see that it has it for all platforms, right? And it's gonna give you x86. They even got ARM, so it's gonna run on Raspberry Pi as well. I see FreeBSD, Mac OS. All right, let me see if I can do this. CD. I didn't even plan on doing this, but download CD down. Oh no, I gotta go to my. Okay, I didn't plan on doing this, but we're gonna do it anyway. All right. I'm on Ubuntu, so I'm gonna copy link address. I'll do a wget here and paste this in. Okay, I'm going to download it right now. All right, and ls the star so we can see what we got here. We'll copy this name. All right, now we'll tar xvf. I'm not gonna do Windows, but I'll do this on Linux or whatever. All right, so ls zig star. Okay, so we see we have Zig. We have this directory Zig Linux, right? Okay, so Control C. See, it's version 8. Okay. Copy this. All right, and I like to do this. You don't have to do this right here. Move, and then make it Zig. Okay. All right, so we have that Zig folder. So we'll move that Zig folder to. Let's just move it to the home directory. Okay. Ls clear. Okay, cd home ls, and you can see Zig is right there. Okay, so cd Zig. Yes. All right, you see the Zig. You can see right here. We have the Zig executable. We'll run it Zig. Okay, we can see Zig version. Zig version. Okay, and we'll pwd this. That'll tell us exactly where Zig is installed. Bam, right here, King Lamar, that's me. Now the coder life. I should change this all to coder life, but I'm not going to do that. All right, so then we'll go to the home directory. I use micro. Everybody uses Vim. I don't care what you guys say. Okay, bash rc. Okay, then you want to go down to this. I've already done this, so you can see Zig. I put it in the user live, but what you're going to do is you're going to put it in. That's Control V to paste that right there, right? you're going to put it in that directory. So yours is going to look something like this. Okay. You're just going to replace this with this right here. Okay. Okay. And then add this zig variable to your path variable. And then that's it on Linux, right? Okay. So escape, quit. Oh shit. Okay. Control. Quit. Alright, and then you just got to restart your terminal. Okay, so term. Alright, and then you press zig version. Then you got it installed. I wasn't even going to do that, but I said okay. Well, the first thing I guess we'll do, as you can see I've already done all this, but I'm not going to read it. I'm going to type this out just for my practice as well. So we'll say hello to.zig, okay? So let's go ahead. Okay, so first thing we got to do, because there's no standard way to print in Zig. The issue with it is they didn't want to create a standard print statement so that just in case you want to do it with concurrency. So they only made this one, So there is there's a way to do. There's a way to print out, but there's no like print line or anything like that. So you got to take it from the standard library, debug, print. Okay. So we'll use it that way, and same thing with all other with like Rust. You don't have to put the public there in Rust, but FN, Rust and Z, the same thing. We'll put the main. Okay. So, and then in this case, we'll do a print, because I've made this variable print right here, right? And then what we'll do is we'll put hello, and then we'll put, just so you can see what the interpolation looks like, and you got to put a dot here and 2 curly brackets, right? And then world, okay? And this is a semicolon terminated language. So zig run, and we'll put hello 2.zig, okay? Oh, what did I do wrong here? Oh, you got to put the void. You have to put your return type afterwards, okay? No, I put that STD, okay. Must be drunk here today. Okay, there we go, hello world, all right? Now you can, most languages, so we'll just make it so you can see it more clear, or clearer, and that's it, right? Now, if you really want it, now this like Go, has the Go run thing going on, right? But if you wanted to compile this, you put build exe, build executable hello 2.zig, and this will print out a executable for you, or this will put out an executable for you. You can see that it came out with hello 2, right? Bam, there we go.